Welcome to SGS online classes. Today I am going to start class 5 EVS assessment 1 chapter 3 health and diseases revision part 2. Let us start. Types of diseases. All diseases can be divided into two major categories: non-communicable disease, communicable diseases. So question: all diseases are divided into which categories? Non-communicable disease, communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases that do not spread from one living being to another are called non-communicable diseases. What are non-communicable diseases? Diseases that do not spread from one living being to another are called non-communicable diseases. What are the causes for the non-communicable diseases? Lack of certain nutrients like vitamin, mineral, protein or carbohydrate lead to the deficiency disease like ricket or anemia. Second, malfunctioning of an organ of the body like the liver, heart or kidneys can be regarded as non-communicable disease. So, what are the causes? Lack of certain nutrients like vitamin, mineral, proteins or carbohydrate, and malfunctioning of an organ of the body like the liver, heart or kidney. Communicable disease. Diseases that spread from one living being to another are called communicable diseases. They are also called infectious or contagious diseases. These diseases are caused by small organisms called germs. So, communicable diseases are caused by what? Communicable diseases are caused by germs, small organisms called germs. So, communicable diseases are also called infectious or contagious diseases. So, these germs can be various types like bacteria, viruses or protozoans. There are 4 ways by which germs can travel from an infected living being to another. First, through air. When a sick person sneezes or coughs, germs get released into the air. They enter the body of another healthy living being through the air. Diseases like common cold, cough and tuberculosis spread in this manner. Which diseases? So student question arises that which disease caused through air? Common cold, cough, tuberculosis spread through air. When a sick person sneezes or coughs. Now second, food and water. Diseases like cholera and typhoid are caused by consuming contaminated food and water. Insects like flies and cockroaches carry germs, and when they come in contact with a food item, the food gets contaminated. Diseases are caused by consuming this kind of food. Contaminated means infected. So, cholera and typhoid are caused by consuming contaminated food and water. Infected food and water. So, which insect carries germs? Flies and cockroaches carry germs. When they sit on the food and water, then that food and water is get infected. And when they come in contact with food item, the food gets contaminated. Diseases are caused by consuming this kind of food. Insect and animal bite. Diseases like rabies and plague are caused by animal bites. The female Anopheles mosquitoes carry germs which cause malaria. Dengue is caused by the bite of Aedes mosquito. So, diseases like rabies and plague are caused by animal bite. Which disease? Rabies and plague are caused by what? Rabies and plague are caused by animal bites. Which mosquito carries germs which cause malaria? Female Anopheles mosquito. So, dengue is caused by the bite of Aedes mosquito. Dengue is caused by which mosquito? Aedes mosquito. So, student, common communicable diseases. Common cold is communicable disease which is caused by a group of viruses. Typhoid is caused by type of bacteria. The patient suffers from fever and headache. Pneumonia is caused by bacteria and it affects the respiratory system of the body. So, which disease affects the respiratory system of the body? Pneumonia. Pneumonia is caused by which germ? Bacteria. Typhoid is caused by which germ? Bacteria. So, in typhoid, patients suffer from what? Fever and headache. So, in this way, question can be asked. So, student, health and diseases part 2 completed. Thank you.